YouTube. I'm MCGo101 and we're back for another one. Today we're going to show you how to get rid of an intermittent SRS light on a 2018 to 2022 Honda Accord. Most of the issues seem to be stemming from this sensor switch, which is also your hazard switch. It's apparently a pretty common issue. The part number you'll need is going to be 35510 TVA C02. Right from the dealer. Wasn't that much. It's like 40 bucks. Now the issue's been intermittent, comes and goes, and it's even been apparent with a passenger in the seat. Sometimes you can turn the car off, turn it back on, it'll be gone, but other times it does stay. It doesn't happen very often, but for the 40 bucks, I'm just going to fix it and make sure everybody is safe. So without further ado, we'll show you what's needed to get this done. Okay, so with the passenger side, we're going to have to take apart a few of the trim pieces. So myself, I just have this plastic little pry tool, doesn't damage anything. I've already started, but I'll show you kind of how I got these apart. Bear with me. So we start with the side kick plate. Obviously this will be buttoned into the side. What I started with is just popping it gently from the top. And once you have a place to get in, the rest will just pop right out, and you can remove that. Next, yeah, it's probably better to remove this next. So this has two clips, the top left, and I believe, yep, two more in the bottom. So ever so delicately, you don't want to get in here and start ripping stuff out. We'll just pop one clip out at a time. Use a little bit of force, but not too much. And that unit will pop out just like that. And then for your bottom trim, which is clipped here, just get under it and you can use some leverage and pop that right off, right to the center console. That leaves us, last but not least, your nice finished piece here. Also has clips all the way across. I tried my tool, but it didn't have enough leverage, so just ever so lightly popped it open on the side and work my way down until you can access the hazard switch. So from here, you're just going to reach behind the hazard switch and disconnect the cable, which I'll do now, and then we'll show you how to get it out of the console. Okay, so now that we are into the console, you'll see there is a little connector that goes to the hazard switch in behind. You'll have to reach in and push the tab down and pull out. So you'll want to be careful. There's wires that are holding this trim in, so you don't want to yank this out too much. Then next, on the actual switch itself, it's hard to see, but there are two clips on the back side. So to remove that from the cluster, just take a pair of pliers, or sorry, needle nose. We'll get in here, around the switch, depress, and then push it forward. And that'll pop right out. So now, install is reverse. We're just going to plug in our new one here. Brand new Honda OEM. Click. And then we'll put the wiring on, and then I'll show you how to clip everything back together. Okay, so starting with reassembly. New switch is in, the wires are hooked up, test good, so we're going to carefully put this back into place. I'm going to start with the far left side, and you're going to want to snap in all the plastic clips, and then work your way across, nice and easy. You want to be gentle. Just like that. Next, we will come across with, actually, you know what? My apologies. We'll put this in first. So we're just going to rest that in there. And again, there are 4 clips, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. So that just snaps into place nice and lightly. Now I personally found a Phillips head screw. I took it out. Make sure that's good and snug. Next, you want to look for your bottom trim here. I'm going to start with the left, line up all the clips. Nice and gentle. Beautiful. And last but not least, we got our kick panel. So there's a little tab. I'm going to hook that under first. Line everything up. I'll get the bottom tab in and then just close it like a door. Make sure everything's snug. And that's it. That job is complete. So yeah, I've had this issue for several months now. I looked around, I didn't see much info on it, so I thought I'd make a quick video on how to do it. So yeah, if you guys have an SRS light that's intermittent, no other issues, try replacing this hazard switch. Like I said, 40 bucks at the dealer. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps somebody, and we'll see you guys next time.